Digital Train Zilla. DTZ is a training arm of Sedulous Tech Solutions, offers customized training courses that are designed for professionals whether individual or corporate to improve their technical, functional or IT skills as well as enhance their leadership knowledge. At DTZ, we always try to reach perfection since we use the most effective web platforms to give the participant a classroom experience where interaction and hands-on experience that are always guaranteed. Participants will receive e-material prior to any course, and can also print their own certificates and receive a hard copy thereof as well.